Beautiful. So welcome once again. We have to cut this video short. Yeah, so let's continue being conscious of the fact that Holy Spirit is our teacher, is our helper, and marvelously helped by Him. That's the essence of this channel, to help you in the things that He has helped me with, and He's still helping me with. Yes, because Bible made us understand that He's a present help in time of trouble. Good. So let's look at this question. We said 9x squared plus 6x squared plus 4y squared is a factor of this. Each time I'm in this channel, I always talk about eyes that can see. Yes, I always say, Holy Spirit, thank you for giving me eyes that can see, ears that can hear, a wise understanding, discerning, diligent, and obedient heart. Looking at this question, I have eyes and I can see. This is 3 cubed x cubed. This is 2 cubed y cubed. This brings to my knowledge about this law in math that says when I have this, I say this bracket a square minus plus so I have to represent this in this format. Was this what we're given? Yes, good. So if we have this, if we have this is, I have this, so with this stuff, this is how I'm meant to represent this. So knowing that this is 3x all cubed minus 2y all cubed. It's exactly in this format. This is my A and this is my B. So having that in mind, if I go about it this way, this is like saying 3x minus 2y bracket, this is what? 9x squared plus, I multiply both 6xy, then plus 4y squared. And this is the question I'm asked. They said, what is the other factor? If this is a factor of this, what is the other factor? From what we have just done, we can see that 3x minus 2y is the other factor. I am done solving that problem. And then we have the next question. Say completely factorize x cubed minus x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x all over 2x squared minus 8. I have eyes I can see. I have eyes and I can see. So I can see that x is common in all of them. I bring out x. This is x squared plus 3x minus 10 all over 2 is common here. The reason why I'm going to do so, because I have eyes, I can see when I bring out 2 here. If I factorize 2 here, I'll be having difference of 2 squares. So this is like x squared minus 4. Yes, x squared minus 4. You need to have eyes that can see. So with this boy, we have something like this is x. We factorize 5x minus 2x minus 10. Yes, all over 2 brackets, difference of 2 squares, which is the difference of 2 squares is the product of their sum and their difference. So having that, this becomes x plus 2 bracket x minus 2. So this will now be having some, you can see that x is common here, so an x minus 2. So I have x minus 2 bracket x plus 5 when I factorize this. Yes, all over 2 bracket x plus 2 bracket x minus 2. We can see that this is common. What did I just do? This is x minus 2, not x minus 5. So this goes away. I'm left with x bracket x plus 5 all over 2x plus 4. So that's my answer. That's my answer. Then let's solve this lastly. I don't know. No, that should not be. How many minutes so far? Okay, so I still have some more time. Let's look at this question. It says solve for x. I'm asked to solve for x. I'm asked to solve for x, and I have this problem. Like I said, you need to have eyes that can see when you are solving for it. Say solve for x. If x minus y is equal to 2, that's equation 1, and I have x squared minus y squared is equal to 8, equation 2. So if I look at this, I can see that this is difference of 2 square. Because it's difference of 2 square, this equation 3, equation 2 becomes x plus y bracket x minus y all is equal to 8. I can call this equation 3 using difference of 2 square. Like I said, difference of 2 square is something that is known. It's the product of their sum and their difference. So I can say equation 3. I can say equation 3 divided by equation 1, because I can see that this has something. So if I say equation 3 divided by equation 1, I will end up saying that this will be this divided by this cancels this, and on this side this will be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So I have that x plus y is equal to 4. I can call this equation 4. Yes, I have this as my equation 4. This is x plus y. When I divide this plus this bracket this minus this all over this, so this goes away. I'm left with this x plus y is equal to 4. So I can do equation 1 plus equation 4. If I do equation 1 plus equation 4, I'll be having that 2x is equal to 6. So let's say equation 1 plus equation 4. I would have 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So if I have that x is 3, I can call this 5, equation 5. Come back here. So if x is 3, 3 minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So if x is 1, x is 3, y is 1. Come back here. 3 minus 1 will give me 2. 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 1 will give me 8. I'm done with solving that problem. Next, let's look at this next question on variation. If y varies directly, so let's look at this problem in proportion. Yes, so that we can wrap up this session. Good. Look at the time we usually spend in cleaning this board. It may be up to 2 minutes. So we have this problem. It said y varies directly. Y varies directly with the square root of x. This is what we have. So therefore, y is equal to k square root of x. K is equal to y over the square root of what? X. That's what k is equal to. Now let's see. I'm given that y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 16. So this is saying 3 over 4. That's what k is equal to. Now I'm asked to look for y. So since I know that y is equal to k square root of x, now I know that my k is 3 over 4. And what am I giving as my x? I'm told that x is 64. So square root of 64. This is 3 times this times 8 over 1. So my answer is 2. Is 6. Yes, is 6. So that's my answer. Now the next question. If x is inversely proportional to y. If x is inversely proportional to y, x is inversely proportional to y, this is what we are saying. We are saying that x is inversely proportional to y. Yes, then I'm giving what? So this is saying that k all over. Therefore, k is equal to xy. What is my x? What is my x? I have that x is 5/2. This is 5/2. And I'm giving that y is 2. So from here, I can see that my k is 5. So if k is 5, and I'm giving y as 4, so 5/4. What am I saying? K is what? 5. Okay, k is 5. And then y is what? 4. I'm asked to go for okay. Yes. So at the end of the day, x is 1/4. That's my answer. I'm done solving that. Let's look at this last one, and then we call it a wrap. Here I have this problem on inequality. I have this problem on inequality. I am told that find the range, for what range of values of x is. So I have x/2 plus 1/4 is greater than x/3 plus half. LCM of the denominator is 12. So I multiply throughout by the LCM of denominator. This will give me 6x plus 3 greater than 4x plus 6. Collecting your like terms, this will be 6x minus 4x is 6 minus 3. 2x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3/2. That's my answer. Most importantly, when you are doing problem like this, when you have a fraction, you look for the LCM of all the denominator. 2 is a factor of 4. Therefore, 4 is my LCM. 4 is not a factor, or 3 is not a factor of 4. Therefore, the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 2 is a factor of 12. That's why my LCM is 12. You can ask such questions. You don't have to rule the line and start looking for LCM. It makes it a lot faster and easier for you. We'll call it a wrap. Please do well to like and share this video. God bless you, and bye.